How do I create my very first Amazon PPC campaign the right way? Love the question, and let me tell you why I love your question. You're asking, how would you create your Amazon PPC campaign the right way? This tells me that you want to start right from the beginning. And if you want to start right from the beginning, allow me to, 5 years ago, I was your tips, tactics, hacks girl. That's like, this is the way, model whatever I'm doing, you're going to be successful. After 5 years of doing this, day in, day out, I got humbled by how much I don't know, how many mistakes I made, and how much money I actually created by learning from those mistakes. So if you want to set up your Amazon PPC campaigns the right way, especially the very first campaign, zoom out for clarity and ask, where are you on the journey? When it comes down to Amazon ads, the way how I like to strategize is understanding who you are and what is your skill set right now. So you can be a junior. Basically, this is an SOP follower. Or think of yourself, if you're going to create your very first ad, you just watched a YouTube video or you purchased a course and you're literally step by step following someone, walking you through, and you're executing. For this level, the junior level, you need no judgment. You are going to put your trust in the course or the video that you learned, right? Stay with me. The second part is going to be, whenever you're going to do this day in, day out and get some knowledge under your belt, you're going to become an intermediate PPC advertiser. Now, an intermediate advertiser, what they are going to be able to do is quickly set up those campaigns, but also make sense of, okay, last time this is what happened, because that happened. Now this time I'm going to change and I'm going to do something more different, right? So you already have some knowledge, but right now you're still not the best strategy. You're still like looking into, what should I do? And there's a third level, which is the strategist, right? And this is an advanced level. I'm proud to say that I am a strategist, and that is based on my 5 years of experience. It's not my last year of experience. It's not my 2 months of experience. This is 5 years of putting in the reps. Think of me as your gym girl or gym bro, who is going to the gym and they are going to work out, do the reps, always. Every day, 65, and then one more year and one more year. And why I'm sharing this with you, and keep in mind, I'm still coming from a humble point of view. I'm not saying how good am I. I'm just like realizing that if now I am at this level, the level that I am going to answer your question is from a strategist point of view. So when you're telling me that you want to set up your campaigns the right way, I'm going to ask you, define the right way. What do you mean by the right way, Because clearly, you would set up your Amazon PPC campaigns to get more sales. But that is not the end all be all. The goal of the campaign is to generate additional revenue. Great. So what I want to make sure is that you're not going to sum up false positives. By false positives, I mean that you started the campaign is very successful, it's bringing you hundreds of orders right out of the bat, and like, oh, I did it. What you're going to end up with is like not having the experience of not being successful previously. You would believe that just because you set up one campaign that is super successful, now you know how to do it, right? That is a dangerous path. That is what happened to me 5 years ago when I started. I was like, oh, I figured it out. And then 3 months in, I'm like, I'm the, But then whenever it came to troubleshooting, because keep in mind that just because you created a campaign, great, a month can run well. But then the next month is like, everything is broken and you don't know how to fix it. So that is, again, a false positive for you to believe that first that you set it up, it's going to work well and then you know how to do things. When in fact, you're going to learn just mistakes through accumulating more and more knowledge.